guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make an easy Christmas tree for you with the help of paper. So before starting our video, Merry Christmas to all my friends and my viewers and my subscribers. So let's see how many things we require to make a Christmas tree. Guys, things you need to take are two green sheet and one any color of sheet. Remember one thing, please take a thick sheet. If you will take a tiny sheet, so you have to stick the cardboard on that. So please take a thick sheet and take one any color of sheet, any color of thick sheet. So some important things you need to take are one stapler for our support. Please don't take a glue stick, pen, black tape. You can also take a cello tape for our little support, and some decorative material. You can take stars, glitter sheets. You can take glitter sheet. You can take glitter stickers. You can take. I'm using here thermocol balls. So let's make our Christmas tree. When you are making a Christmas tree, remember one thing, that this green sheet, make it like a cone. Make it like a ice cream cone. So let's make it like a ice cream cone. You can make it like this. It's a simple cone, and here add some Fevicol. You can see for some support I have used here black tape. You can also use a simple cello tape. And what is second step? You have to do straight like this. This is our base of Christmas tree. It's like a cone. And the third step, we have to make a chips like for Christmas tree. Let's make it. First make these type of lines on your paper, then cut it. Like this, you can cut your chips with the help of scissor. You can see how nice it cuts. So let's do the fourth step to make a Christmas tree. Cut like this the small teeny chips. Like this, you cut your chip like this. And the first step, you have to stick this strip on your Christmas tree base. So friends, stick like this only on your Christmas tree. Small, and then smallest strips stick like this. So let's stick it. Like this, you can make your Christmas tree. It is inside the base. You can take off any color of sheet. I think something is missing. The red star is missing. So let's make a red star. Cut the piece of paper or a cardboard. You can take a red paper also. I'm using here red paper only. You can take a cardboard and you can paint with the red color. Cut the small piece of a red paper and make a star on this. Make a star like this and cut it. It's time for some decorate it mode with the help of thermocols.